Whirlpool Cabrio dryer model WED5700ACO, many panel lights blinking at one time and can't get it to work properly. No service codes flashing. Control assembly was replaced about a month ago and it worked fine until today. Is there a way to reset things?
Can you guesstimate how old your Whirlpool is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
About a year old. M2250/262.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If possible.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Hello, and welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will be the one to assist you. Sorry to hear that you are having this trouble. What lights are blinking and how many times? Have you tried unplugging for 5 minutes to do a hard reset yet?
Almost all of the lights in are blinking. I have turned off the breaker and let it sit a few minutes before resetting the breaker. Same issue with blinking lights.
So is it all lights blinkering or almost all? That will make a difference.
All lights.
Okay, so what has happened is your control board has died and is going to need to be replaced.
Okay. Thanks. We'll contact Whirlpool for parts. I have a repairman. Thanks for your help. Goodbye.
You are very welcome. It was my pleasure to have been of assistance with you today. My goal is to give you the best experience possible. If you need more assistance, please use the reply box and let me know.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.